Massive wagwan. So growing up in Jamaica in a middle class family, meaning working class, we would drink Soursop leaf tea, lime leaf tea, fever grass tea, and mint tea during the weekdays. Saturday, the tea of choice would be either Horlicks or Milo. Sunday morning, the traditional Jamaican chocolate tea, the one that you greater. The recipe is on my channel. Yes, so when making the soursop leaf tea, for example, we would pick the leaves from the soursop tree and then we would wash it properly and boil it. We never put it to dry. Never put it to dry, none whatsoever. We use the green leaves. Okay, that's my culture. Yeah. And the only bush that we would put to dry is the one that we call herbal bush, like the Guinean weed or the search me out, etc. Yeah, we would put it in a brown paper bag and then put it in a dark place like the oven or the cupboard to dry before using. Right? So I'm telling you about my tradition growing up in Jamaica. So now I am going to boil some soursop leaf tea and I am washing the soursop leaves. I wash it first and then I wash it with a little bit of salt. So now I'm putting the leaves into a teapot. I call this pot teapot, and I'm using filtered water. Gonna put it to boil for about 20-25 minutes. Majority Jamaicans sweeten their soursop leaf tea with sugar. That didn't happen in my house. We use a little bit of sweetened condensed milk, a little bit of vanilla, and a little bit of grated nutmeg. And that makes a perfect glass or cup, I should say, of soursop leaves tea. And